Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you some awesome fidget toys that were sent to me from Spiffy, which is a gift shop that sells lots of amazing products to help stay happy and positive. The first toy I have here is a rainbow push popper. This is like reusable bubble wrap. To use it, you just push the bubbles and they make a satisfying popping sound. Then you flip it over and the bubbles appear on the other side, ready to be popped again. I also received this adorable sun character squishy. It's super cute and really soft. You can squeeze it, stretch it and poke it, and it always returns to its original shape. The next thing I have here is this cute and colourful wooden worm toy. The worm is really fun to fidget with and it can be posed into different positions by twisting and turning the colourful sections. And the last thing I have is this cute and fun cat squishy. The squishy is really satisfying to play with and it can be squashed and stretched in many ways. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments what you think of these fidget toys, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye!